Biruin mo yun, no? The process, the effort, yung gastos, just for you to feel good about yourself. Dang. Now, I think the best question here is, will you be satisfied now? Or sasama pa rin yung loob mo if ever there would be people who will be still against with whatever transformation you've gone through. Kasi kung hindi, sayang yung gasto, sayang yung effort sa pagtuturok, sa pagbabawas ng kung anumang parte ng katawan mo just for you to feel good. 'Di ba? Sabi nga ni Ricky Reyes ang bakla, kahit gilingin mo yan, magiging baklang hamburger pa rin yan. You cannot change that fact. Gagastos ka ng libo-libo for an operation, for ano. Tapos, ang ending, hindi ka rin sure kung magiging masaya ka. Kasi, yung pagiging masaya mo, nakadepende sa kung ano yung sasabihin ng tao sa'yo. Yung validation ng tao na nakapaligid sa'yo. 'Di ba? If hindi nila na-validate yung pakiramdam mo, sayang yung ginastos.
This is Pinoy Extreme.